Good Tuesday. What are we making today? We're making a Midwest vegetable chowder soup from 1966. We might try and put some over rice. I just liked the picture. It was a nice picture of vegetables and cream sauce. Before we get to it, I have to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for your thumbs up, thumbs down. It means a lot to me. The gist of it is, 1/4 cup of butter, that's like 4 tablespoons, 1/4 cup of flour, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of celery, 1/2 cup of carrots. Oh man, 1/4 cup of onion. Of course, they're power washing the sidewalk. Why not power wash the sidewalk now when I'm talking? 2 cups of red potatoes. Doesn't say what kind of potatoes, but red potatoes hold their shape. It says 10 ounces of cheese shredded. That's a lot of cheese. I may not use it all. 10 ounces! You may or may not know that Social Security is under attack. It may go away. If Social Security goes away, I'm probably going to lose my home. So if I disappear, you know why. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. God.
That's kind of interesting. Wow. I hope I have room in this pot. This is a 4-quart pot. Oh. There's no room for anything.
See if it thickens up a little. Actually looks like the picture in a way. That's a nice thickness for soup. Does it coat the spoon? Yeah, it coats the spoon. This could have used more vegetables. Honestly, you could have put more than that in there. Oh, that's tasty. Okay. Ooh. I don't think it is as thick as the picture, but it does have a thickness to it. I did make some white rice. Maybe we'll add some rice to it. It's thickening up as we speak. You know what? It's a really nice color. I didn't use Cracker Barrel cheese. I already had some Great Value in the fridge, cheddar cheese, so I just measured out 10 ounces. It's very attractive, I have to say. Maybe you can sprinkle something on top, you know, like some parsley. Let's take a potato. The potatoes held their shape. They're very tender. Let's try a carrot and a potato. Carrot's a little more chewy. Not a bad thing. I'm a little worried about the celery. Here we go. That's delicious. This is for a family. You make a lot of soup, so this is quite a meal. I want to try adding some rice. We'll just put a little rice. Not that you need more carbs, man. What was I thinking? Okay, let's try it with rice. Can you have rice and potatoes? Akuna potatoes? I don't know why I'm doing that. I think it asks for 1.5 teaspoons, and I put in a very shy teaspoon. And I think it's just perfect for me. Adding rice, you might want to add a little more sodium. Salt to taste. I'll put that in the recipe. The original recipe is in the description. Sometimes a very simple recipe, it is very simple, is delicious. Corn is very subtle. You know, it's not overly corny, although their recipe did call for a 16-ounce can. I used a 14-ounce, okay? Wow. I'm going to add a bunch more rice in because I can. Let's just mix it up. Oi. Let's take a picture of that. Oh, that's a better picture. I'm happy. Yeah, I think you can add more veggies. It is delicious. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Whoa!